Ready to transform your Shopify store from just products to a full-fledged website that wows your customers. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your central command center. Then navigate to the online store section. Found on the left-hand side menu, click on Pages. Here, you'll see all your existing pages. To create a new one, click the Add Page button in the top right corner. Let's start with an About Us page. Give your page a title like About Us. Now, in the rich text editor below, tell your brand story, share your mission, vision, and what makes your business unique. Think about incorporating images or videos to make it more engaging. Next, let's create a contact page. Use the same process, but this time, in the template drop-down menu on the right-hand side, select Page Contact. This automatically adds a contact form for your customers. For an fact page, consider using a simple list format, or, for a cleaner look, explore Shopify apps that offer accordion-style facts. This allows users to expand and collapse answers, keeping the page organized. Now that you've created your pages, let's add them to your website's navigation. Go to Online Store and then Navigation. Click on Main Menu. Click Add Menu Item in the name field. Type what you want the link to say, like About Us. Then, in the link field, search for and select the About Us page you created. Repeat this process for your contact and fact pages. Finally, visit your live website to see your new pages. In the navigation, check if everything looks and functions as expected. Remember to regularly update your pages with fresh and relevant content. You now have a fully functional website. Go build yours.